How to fix the screen sharing lag in your Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll guide you on how you can fix your screen sharing lag issue if you are facing any. So for that, let me first join any Microsoft Teams meeting. So as you can see, I have joined a Teams meeting, and since now I'm inside the Teams meeting, I can easily share my screen. So while sharing your screen, there are different options that you use. Mostly we try to share the content or select a particular layout as well. But nevertheless, if you are sharing your screen or window, you might notice some lag. So this is basically due to a number of reasons. One of the main reason is your internet connection. So try to make sure that you have a stable, good internet connection. If your internet connection is fine, you can check if especially you are using a laptop, that you have plugged in the laptop, as sometimes there could be performance drops while screen sharing, as it is a little bit heavy process. If you are using Microsoft Teams on a browser, try to reduce the number of tabs within the browser itself, and hopefully this will work, as it will free up the RAM, especially if you're using Google Chrome. So here are some of these basic troubleshooting steps. Apart from that, if you want to go a little more advanced, you can simply check your performance matrices and also check the taskbar, which you can do so by pressing the Control Shift and the Escape key, and you will see the taskbar right here. So from here you can check out which processes are chugging up your RAM, or you can also go to this performance option and check how much of your CPU, memory, disk, or Wi-Fi performances are. So using these basic troubleshooting, you can check if it is going to work. And even if the problem resides, you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the Microsoft Teams application. So let me know if that worked for you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.